How to track your Bolt food delivery order waiting for your meal? Here's how to track your Bolt food delivery in real time. Once your order is placed, go to Orders tab from the bottom menu. Tap on your active order. You'll see a live map showing your delivery driver's location, estimated arrival time, and restaurant status updates. If the driver's taking longer than expected, you can check if they are still at a restaurant or already on the way. The progress bar updates automatically as your meal moves closer to you. Keep notifications on. Do you usually track your food every minute or just wait for the knock? Drop your answer in the comments below. And that's how you can track your Bolt food delivery order. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.